everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Brave browser. So let me show you step by step. So to start, you need to open Brave browser app. So click on the search bar and type in Brave browser. Then tap on open. Let's expand this. Now, once you open the Brave browser app, what you can do is to tap on the three lines at the top right. Now, in here, it will open the menu settings, and in here, scroll down and look for delete browsing data. You can also click Control plus Shift plus Del to open delete browsing data. So let's tap on that. Now, in here, make sure you select cache images and files. You can also choose to clear other data types like browsing history, cookies, and other site data, Leo AI chat history, download history, autofill form data, site and shield settings, hosted app data, etc. And then at the top, choose the time range you want to delete. So you can choose last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days. And if you tap on more, you can choose last 4 weeks or all time. So I'm just gonna choose last 4 weeks. And I'm just gonna tap on cookies and other site data. And again, make sure you choose or you click on cache images and files. So that's the most important part. Then down here at the bottom, you can see delete from this device. So just tap on that and you can see it will be deleted right away. So you may receive a confirmation message indicating that the data has been cleared. And that's basically it. So again, open Brave browser, click on the three lines at the top right, go to delete browsing data, select cache images and files. You can also select cookies and other site data and choose the time range at the top, last hour, last 7 days, etc. And then just tap on delete from this device. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.